Hello, I am Sarah McConnell, and today I will be demonstrating the front snap kick double punch combination. This can be used as a way to stop someone who is coming towards you. Start out, you need to get in a good front stance, and then you do your front snap kick, put your foot down, and a lunge punch, reverse punch. 2, 3. And then this is how it will look from the side. Now I'll have my mistress on. And first, he will be having the shield just stationary. 1, 2, 3. And now he will come towards me with the shield. 1, 2, 3. And that is the front snap kick double punch combination.